can't lead this legal team. We need someone detached from Meredith.
Then who else? Sino?
Meron na kami invitation para dun sa mga for questioning. Nandito kasi sa Keystone yung ilang persons of interest.
Galit ako kay Attorney Simmons dahil inaagaw niya ang asawa ko. I have all the right to be angry, but that doesn't mean that I killed her.
Sigurado ba kayo na gusto niyong pumasok sa loob ng presinto?
But I just can't stay here. Kailangan kong malaman kung sino yung totoong kriminal.
Should we really go through with this?
Malapit na tayo sa presinto.
Huwag na lang kaya tayong pumunta.
Kung magbabakaw tayo ngayon, mas lalo lang tayong bumukhang guilty. Unless meron kang hindi sinasabi sa akin.
Kung tungkol sa murder ni Meredith ang tinutukoy mo, I swear, I had nothing to do with it. Ilang ulit ko bang sasabihin sa'yo yun?
Pero nandun ka sa bahay ni Attorney Simmons nung gabi ng krimen. Tama ba ako, Mrs. Engano?
No, I wasn't there. And what would I be doing there, baking her cookies?
Nagkaroon ba kayo ng interaction ni Evelyn Magas, yung maid ni Attorney Simmons?
Evelyn? Who? I don't even know her.
Hindi mo pala siya kilala.
How would I even know her? We're not close. Saan ka nakakita ng legal na asawa na nakapag-BFF sa kabit? Sa Keystone ko lang nakakausap si Attorney Simmons. Yes, I went to her party, but I left immediately after.
So, umalis ka na pala ng party. So, saan ka napunta? Sa bahay ni Attorney Simmons? Tama ba ako?
Wow, Major. Kung tingin ninyo best actress ako, kayo to parang gustong-gustong magsulat ng soap operas. It seems like you're the one spinning stories here. And unlike your plot twists, may katibayan ako na nagsasabi ako ng totoo because what I'm telling you is the truth. Every word of it.
Trixie? Ramir? What are you doing here? At bakit niyo kasama si Avon?
I know what really happened.
Trixie, may alam ka? Paano?
Yes, Mom. So you shouldn't be accusing my mom. Because I know exactly where she was when the crime happened.
Kung ganon, nasan si Mrs. Engano nung gabi ng krimen?
Trixie, huwag ka na makialam dito. Bakit kayo nandito?
Mabuti na rin na nandito kayo para marinig niyo kung ano yung totoo. Imposible nandun si Mom sa house si Attorney Meredith. Because the entire time, nasa Death by Decaf Cafe siya.
How did you know this?
I asked Dad and Tito Ivan for help para malaman namin kung ano yung talagang totoo. Kakadating mo lang? Where have you been?
Imposibleng nasa crime scene si Ma'am nung gabing mapatay si Attorney Meredith.
Paalala ha, ako nanay dito.
What do you mean?
Hey! Where are you going? May takeout ako!
May dalang takeout si Mom.
From Death by Decaf Cafe. Dad, samahan mo ko. Puntahan natin yung Death by Decaf. Baka nandun yung sagot para maklear natin yung pangalan ni Mom.
And how can you be so sure that your mom was at the cafe when the crime happened?
Kinontak ni Dad si Tito Evan to find evidence from Death by Decaf.
Nakuha na namin yung CCTV footage. Diba?
Kasama namin ngayon ang staff ng Death by Decaf Cafe. Siya at ang CCTV footage na ipinagkatiwala ng manager ng cafe. Siya ang makakapagpatunay that Mrs. Patricia Engano was at the cafe when the crime took place.
Yes po. Nasa Death by Decaf po si Queen Patricia nung gabing yon. Welcome to Death by Decaf Cafe. May I take your order, ma'am? So you'll be having killer cappuccino ice and murderous mac and cheese. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Patricia Engano. Patricia Engano? Oh my gosh. Ganda! Hello, Patricia. Ganda ni Ma'am Patricia. Patricia Engano. Patricia Engano. Here's your order, Queen. At ito rin po yung card nyo and grabe. Hindi po ako makapaniwalang andito po kayo. Pwede mo makipag-selfie sa inyo, Miss Patricia. Selfie lang po.